Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's wedding guest nude makeup look, I will be starting with the skincare first because it's mandatory for a smooth makeup base as well as for a healthy lifestyle. So for that I will be using the WhiteGlow Advanced range from LOTUS Herbal. Because of the weather change, I have lost all the glow and shine from my skin. So to restore them, I have recently started using this WhiteGlow Advanced range from LOTUS Herbal. I will start with the face wash first. It's a gentle face cleanser infused with the goodness of potent natural ingredients that effectively wash away dirt, makeup, and excess oil, and reducing the dullness from your skin. It gives a natural glow instantly. Now massage the face wash in a circular motion and then wash it off with the cool water and see the refreshment and glow of the skin. Next, during the daytime, I have started using this WhiteGlow Advanced Pink Glow Cream, which is a miraculous product impregnated with the goodness of potent natural ingredients like exotic Bulgarian rose and saxifraga extracts. So it's the best skin lightening cream, yields a powerful shield against harmful UV rays and pollution, and delivers the nourishment along with the skin brightening benefits. So first warm it up on your finger and then gently rub the cream on your face and neck for the better absorption. And at night I use this WhiteGlow Advanced Pink Glow Night Cream, which is a luxurious glow recipe for the skin with the benefits of exotic Bulgarian rose and saxifraga extracts like the day cream. This skin whitening cream turns the cell repair mode on at night so that you wake up to soft, supple and bright skin in the morning. I like both the creams as they don't have any greasiness and at the same time they provide the hydration to the skin, and none of these products from LOTUS Herbal contain paraben, sulfate or any other chemical ingredients. So for a glowy, budget-friendly skincare routine, this range is a perfect choice for me. So as the skincare part is done now, I will start with the makeup. And for the makeup, I will start with the primer to blur out my pores and will even out my skin texture for a smooth base, especially around the T-zone area. If you have dry skin, try to use a hydrating primer. As I have combination skin, so I have used a matte finished primer. And then I will be applying the foundation with the help of a beauty blender. I don't know why, but nowadays I'm seeing that beauty blender is working better than the brush to create a smooth finish base, and that is why I am using the beauty blender more than the brush nowadays. And now to highlight my face, I will be using the concealer from Inside Cosmetics, and the shade I will be using that yellow one, which is 2-3 lighter than my skin tone. So yeah. So a lot of you have been asking me to create a Q&A video, and honestly I am planning to create one for a long, but as I said, being an introvert, it's really hard to come out of the shell and answering all your questions. It's really difficult for me. So yeah, I am taking my time and I hope very soon I will come up with the video. And by the way, do follow me on my Instagram account where I will put the story for you guys to ask the question, and I have shared the link in my description box. Please go and follow me. And now to set my concealer, I will be using that translucent powder from Maybelline, and for the shade details, please check out my description box below. And next to contour and for the blush, I will be using the same palette from Sugar Cosmetics. I will be doing very light contouring today, and it might seem that my face is looking all white, but once it will settle down, everything will look perfect. And make sure to blend the contour powder into your hairline, otherwise the harsh line will be visible. And now I will be applying the blush from the apples of my cheeks to the cheekbones so that my face will look more lifted. And for the highlighter, I will be using the highlighter from NYBay, and as this is going to be a wedding guest makeup look, and this makeup look will be absolutely perfect for the night time. So yeah, you can use the highlighter. But make sure to blend the highlighter perfectly, otherwise it will look weird. And now to set my all the makeup products which I have used till now, I will be applying that setting spray, and yeah, that's it for the makeup base. And for the eyebrows, tada, it's done! So now I will start my eye makeup, and as this is going to be a nude makeup look, so for that I have chosen a brown eyeshadow from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is a liquid eyeshadow, so I will be applying it on my eyelid first, and then I will be just blend everything with the help of a eyeshadow brush. If needed, you can take a clean brush and blend the edges properly. And now taking a brown eyeshadow, I will be applying it on top of that liquid eyeshadow so that it doesn't move. And for the lower eyelid, I have used that same brown eyeshadow, and I have also blended the edges so that my eyes look softer. And taking that shimmery eyeshadow from the same palette, I have highlighted the inner corner of my eyes. And I have also dragged that shimmery eyeshadow on half of my eyelid. And for the waterline, I have used that nude pencil from Wet n Wild. It just makes your eyes look bigger. And next I have applied the mascara from Sugar Cosmetics, and I won't be using any falsies today as I want to keep this makeup look as minimal as possible, as this is going to be a nude makeup look. And so yeah, that's it for the eyes. And now for the lips, I have chosen these two shades. Both are from NYX, and taking that darker shade, I will be first outlining my lips, and then to fill in the rest of the lips, I will be applying that lighter shade. And yeah, that's it for the lips. So that is the final look, guys. I know many of us don't like too much bright colors, so this nude wedding guest makeup look will be absolutely perfect for them. So how was this minimal makeup look, guys? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video also. And if you were watching my video for the first time, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.